All right, we're on air live.
Okay. And we have 16 questions. Let's kill this thing.
Yep.
All right.
Okay. Question 3, eh? Okay. In a pie chart, why are the slices different sizes? Let's see.
Each slice represents a category, and the area of each slice represents the proportion of the total occupied by.
I like the fourth one.
They're more visually appealing. Round is better.
Okay. How are bar charts and parallel charts related? So they're both bar charts. The parallel chart is ranked from highest to lowest. So I don't know if that means anything. It must be C then. The only difference in the bar chart is the bar chart. Yep, that's it. Okay. Use the following information for the next 3 questions. We conclude that P hat is normally distributed. Okay. If P is proportion, if P is the true portion or true sum, okay.
It's the true proportion, isn't it?
I'm trying to work out what it means by that question. Oh, it's the sample is P hat, so that you're right, it's true proportion.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay, good call. Number 6. Okay, N is the total sample. The sample size, eh?
Right.
Hold on, is there a question? No, there wasn't. Okay.
So 7 would be 40.
P equals 1/4. This is the smallest n that satisfies the requirement.
Each part of P has to be equal to or greater than 10, right? So that would be 40, so that the 1/4 section could at least be 10.
Yep.
Good, okay.
Okay, so we're on 8.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, Peter says his network went down.
What?
Peter said his network went down. Just texted.
Oh, we lost him.
Let me see if I can send him another invite and see if he can, won't let me.
What was our apartment number?
Sure. Invite. Okay, I just sent him another invite. I thought he got quiet. I was off my screen looking at the spreadsheet.
Yeah, I wasn't looking at the screen either.
That's funny.
Yeah.
It was 2113.
Okay, my network went down.
Bet.
All right.
I was talking and I'm like, hello, guys, coming to the picture and you're not there. Okay, so did you work out question 7?
I think we agreed on 40.
So how did you get to that? Because the answer in the homework, it was 1/10 and they got to 100. Times the 1 by 10. The one in there's a one in the homework quiz as well, but it's like 4/6 or something like that.
Well, because each piece of that probability has to have a sample size that's at least 10. So if the 1/4 is at least 10, then all of it would be 40.
Okay.
I probably didn't explain that very well.
Yeah, no, I get what you're saying.
Oh, good.
It
Okay.
has to go, because NPs has to be greater than 10, and then other formula. I get it. Each song.
Yeah.
So does it fit up there in the upper part? So 1 minus smallest n. Yep. All right, are we on 8?
Yeah.
That's 24. It's 0.4. Uh-oh, we lost Peter again. Oh, man.
Oh.
Babcock. Invite. See if he can join back up. Just send him another invite. So, don't need X.
Is the answer to 8 just 0.4 because P equals 0.4?
I believe so, because I thought we needed X to figure out P hat.
Well, it says in the homework at 3.2.2 section that the mean of P hat is P if the sample proportion is normally distributed, like if the N is large enough. Is the N large enough? It just has to be greater than 10, right? Not the 30 that we're used to, right?
Look, portions, population proportion, also mean of P hat. P is the population proportion, also the mean of P hat. Yeah, I would say it's 0.4.
Okay.
They didn't give us X, because normally it would be X divided by N, and that would give you P hat.
Right.
We get Peter back? Looks like we lost him.
Yeah. Oh, there he is.
Here it comes.
Oh my word. Okay.
Hey, at least when they watch this, they'll see you're trying.
I'll have to bite my lip for a while. Okay. So
You got 7, right?
P hat. Yeah. I got 7 is 40.
Yep.
Is that right? Okay. And then 8, did you get 0.1?
Explain how you got 0.
We got
So-
0.4.
Got 0.4. So
Yeah. Tell us how.
okay, no, I got it wrong. Hold on. I used the wrong formula, yeah. So N is 24, and then P is 0.4. Okay, so that would give you P is 0.4. It'd give you 24 as N, give you P hat is 0.1. What do they want? They want the P. They want P hat. No, that's not P hat.
Preparation assignment.
Yep.
Where'd that go? Says P is the population proportion, also the mean of P hat.
So what do you say? It's 0.4.
Yeah.
Says P hat.
Okay.
Is that how you?
No, I'm just trying to work out how I worked this out last time.
Because normally you do X divided by N.
Yeah.
And that's with the that's to compute proportion.
So use. Oh.
I'm getting 0.1 for 9.
Yeah, yeah. Point 9 is 0.1. That's right, because that's P hat.
Hold on.
P hat is P times N.
You're getting 0.1?
For number 9, for the standard deviation of P hat? Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just trying to work out 8 quickly now.
And the z-score.
Well, how did you get the z-score? How did you work out P hat?
Because if n is large enough, P hat is equal to P.
Because that would give a z-score 0. That can't be right.
4 divided by, let me see, 24 times 4.
Oh man, I worked this out. Hold on, let me just go back to the homework.
That would make X.
Was it not in the question that there's use the following to answer the next few questions? Suppose what is the mean of P?
In the chapter we read,
hold on. So they're not asking for P hat. They're asking what is the mean of P hat. So P, that's
Right.
P. So it's 0.4. Yeah,
Right.
so there's no calculation. They're asking what P is. They're trying to trick us.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what we were trying to say.
Oh, okay. I'm like P and P hat don't equal each other. They can't be right. Okay. Okay. So question 10, eh?
Yeah.
So P is 0.3. N is 100.
Let's see. So 35 is X.
Yep.
And N is 100.
So P hat is 1.458.
5.
333. I'm not rounding. Okay, so it's okay. So P hat. How many decimals does it say?
P hat is
Round up to 2 decimals. So it's 1.46. Is that right?
wait a second. P hat.
Yeah. Sorry. Ignore me. I had the old N in there.
Probability she'll get more than 35 hits. So 35 divided by 100 is 0.35, correct?
Yeah. That's what I have. 0.35. Sorry. I still have the 24 in there.
So the standard deviation would be 0.046.
Let's fix it up. Standard deviation is 0.046, correct? 0.046, that's right.
Or it'd be 1.091.
Z-score. I just got to add in 0.35. 1.09 I got. For Z-score.
Yeah.
What did you get?
91.
Say it again, it broke up.
1.091.
Oh, okay, hold on. Oh, that was lucky. My thing's down to 2 decimal places. Yeah. Okay.
1.0.
What did we get for 10?
0.35.
Okay.
What is the probability?
Okay, so what is the probability Brittany gets at least 35 hits in her next 100 at bats? Center section of the normal probability applet?
No, it'll be the top end of it because it's
Top
great.
end?
Yeah, because it's greater.
The right tail?
Yep, right tail.
0.1376.
Hold on a second. That's, Z-score is 1.091. 0.1376.
So 0.138?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. Question 14. Let me clear all this again before I use an old number. So P is 0.52. 2000. Oh, this was similar to the one in the homework, except it was the other way. It was greater than 50.
So
Not the homework, sorry, wasn't it the assignment. Oh, it is homework assignment, yeah. Okay, let's just look at this quickly. So N is 2000, P is 0.52, and P hat is 0.50.
What?
P hat, isn't it 0.5? Oh, they want P hat, yeah.
1,000. Okay.
Because it's less than 50%, so 0.5 will be P hat.
Yep.
They want to agree with that.
0.11 for the standard deviation.
Yep, 0.11. Did they ask the standard deviation?
0.011. Correct?
Yep. 0.011. Yep.
Okay, what z-score would you use? Negative.
79.
Negative 1.79.
0. What is the possibility that the survey results will...
One.
Okay.
Less than 0.0367.
Hold on, I'll get there now. 79. Ah, minus 1.79. Yeah, 0.0367.
Wait, they're saying, what is the probability that the survey results will show the candidate is losing even though the true P equals 0.52?
So it's 0.037.
Even if the true P is 0.52?
Yeah, so there's only a 3% chance of someone winning, even if the true P is 52%.
Okay. Okay.
So that's how I'm working out.
But fake me, then I went back and looked at my spreadsheet and it was 0.50 or 0.52.
Okay.
All right.
So Brandon,
yep.
what made this?
I'm going to turn it.
No, I'll turn it in.
I went and set up all the stuff in an Excel so that you can just plug in the numbers. And if you do all the mathematical stuff in Excel, then you can just plug in whatever they're giving you and then it'll automatically give it to you.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Okay, let me submit this quickly.
I can send you a copy.
Dun, dun, dun. Woohoo! 100%.
All right.
Okay, so Brandon, just quickly, going back to question 8. No, it wasn't 8. What was it now? Oh, man. What was the one where it was 1/4? Question 7. So if we've got one like that and it's 2/4, what would the answer be?
Then the answer would be 20.
Okay, so I think
Because that 2/4 would have to equal at least 10. So the whole thing would be 20. The 1/4 would have to equal at least 10, so the whole thing would be 40.
Okay, so
the requirement being greater than 10.
Because I know in the, let me get to it quickly.
In the information part where it says N times P is greater than 10.
Right.
Okay, so that's where you get the 10 at.
Right,
In order-
right, yeah. And n times 1 minus p is greater than 10. That means all the sections of p have to be greater than 10. So if that 1/4 is greater than 10, the whole thing has to be 40 at least.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just checking here. The homework quiz is 4/6, I think it is. Let's have a quick check here.